Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove contacts in Auto Call Someone SOS messages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up to go down. In here, tap on safety and emergency. Then we go down and tap on send SOS messages. Make sure you turn on send SOS messages at the top. Then we go down and tap on auto call someone. In here, if you want to select a contact to auto call, you can tap on a contact. If you don't want to add in a contact, you can just remove it. So in here you can see if I select incoming call, it will, after sending a text message, it will call that contact. And if I remove it, then you can see it will not make the auto call. And that's it. That is how you can add in a contact to auto call after your SOS messages has been sent out. Now, if you want to choose a different contact, you can go down and choose send messages to. And here, tap on the add button. Then tap on create contact or select from contacts list. In here, if I select person 1 and tap on done and then tap on back, we can see here now if I tap on auto call someone, I can select another contact from this list here. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.